Drayton Manor's been around 75 years this year. We have 24, 25 parks. It's expanded a lot over the last 4 years even. There are still plans to go further.
And so what was the driver to start installing Shure equipment in these meeting rooms?
We have to move to the modern day, right?
Okay.
We can't, the day of the pen and paper is gone and we need to move forward. With it being a large group, there are some group meetings where everybody jumps on Teams. So we didn't have that ability to do that, or sit in a room with a group of people on Teams unless you're on a laptop there. Now, with this system, we can communicate with the whole group and join group meetings about further developments or whatever it is that the meeting's about. And so for me, I think it's really useful.
Was it that experience that gave you the comfort to look to Shure when you were looking to put a Microsoft Teams?
You're having a meeting with somebody overseas, you want them to hear you. They all speak foreign languages, you don't. So it's got to be clear what you're saying and what you're hearing. And the fact that all that's built into one unit, this is a big advantage.
You know, you're one of our value partners. You were one of the first companies that saw the IntelliMix Room Kit and got excited about it. What is it for you that makes those IntelliMix Room Kits so attractive?
I think it's knowing the quality of the Shure products, looking at the seating speaker range, they are the best out there, and bringing that in with not just Shure's experience with audio, but the fact that you were bringing in those AI features as well. I just think that it was just a no-brainer for us.
For this rollout, I think what we've been really pleased about is that there's only 3 businesses, ourselves, yourselves and the client. So it means that we've been able to understand their problems a lot quicker, offer solutions that fit and give their users one seamless experience across all different room types. Has that made much of a difference to your time on site and the meetings and preparation and design and installation?
It's simplified the process right from the beginning, from the design all the way through to the delivery and commissioning on site. It's shortened the process, it's made the process a lot easier, and again, we've always had such a great relationship with Shure. It's just so simple, and all our engineers are fully qualified on Shure products. So just, rather than us trying to get one manufacturer talking to another manufacturer and if there's any issues, because we've got one Shure kit with everything we need in it, it just simplifies the whole process.
And we've got a happy customer at the end of the day.
Got a very happy customer at the end of the day. They have basically said the meetings they're now holding are the best meetings they've ever had.
I mean, we always talk about the fact we know that we've done a good job if they don't even think about the equipment in the room. So that's where we think we'd like to have gotten them. Do you think we've managed to achieve that?
Yeah, definitely. It's like they're just in one touch join and everything works, and nobody's frightened of using the rooms anymore.